Well, I'm back again with just a quick video to show a couple of purchases, a couple of kits we picked up here in the last month. Dario of Dario's Model Builds and another fellow, Peter, that are around local here. We went up to the Kingston Model Flea Market at the end of September, Kingston, Ontario, and I managed to get a couple of kits. I bought this one here for a good price, got it for $10. I've done this kit before a few years ago, a different version. It had the tow truck attachment there. I think I built that a few years ago. I bought this good price and mostly for maybe to part it out. Also, while we were there, Peter McDonald was there from the Woody Workshop on YouTube. He was selling some of his kits off. He hasn't posted in a while, so hope to see something soon from you, Peter. But he gifted me this kit here. He knew that I had an interest in it. The Aoshima Back to the Future 3 DeLorean comes with the train tracks as well, a couple of different options there how to build it. Still in the package, hasn't been opened yet. So I'll put that on the shelf there maybe for next year. Get my game up a little, improve my game a bit there to try and get that done. Nice job on that. I know it's a really nice kit. So thanks a lot, Peter, again for that. And that's just a couple of more additions to my stash. I'm trying to get my builds up here to reduce my stash a bit, but I keep adding to it. So anyway, that's the name of the game. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for further updates.